Hello everyone, you are watching S for Shamsi YouTube channel. To change your AC mode from cooling to heating, follow these general steps using your AC remote. Step by step guide, switch AC from cooling to heating mode. Turn on the AC, press the power button on your remote, press the mode button, look for the mode button on your AC remote. Each press cycles through mode like cool, heat, dry, fan and auto. Select heat mode. Stop pressing the button when you see heat on the display or a sun icon on some remotes. Some remotes may show H or hot. Set the desired temperature. Use the up and down temperature buttons. Recommended temperature setting point 24 degrees centigrade to 28 degrees centigrade for comfort and energy savings. Fan speed. Set the fan speed to low, medium or high as needed. Wait for warm air. In heating mode, the AC may take 1 to 3 minutes before warm air starts blowing.